The rotary pots are part of the dynamic tinning devices. The rotadip is generally used for tinning, degoulding, or enamel removal while keeping tin constantly clean. These machines are equipped with a rotative pot and a fixed blade, allowing an automatic scraping of dross with an external rejection. The operator has permanently a clean tin surface, which reduces the risk of imperfection and stains during tinning, enamel, and gold removal operations. These products are available in different dimensions and different temperatures.